Yes, I don't care what you think the devil is doing about your life. With God, all things are possible. And it's the might of God that will change your life. Listen to this.
The issue is not to look for money.
Et ce n'est pas pour chercher de
Life,
l'argent.
don't look for money.
Ne cherche pas de l'argent.
Don't do what? Don't chase for money.
Et ne cours pas derrière
And
l'argent.
don't be smart. Don't stay with people because of the money you get.
Et ne reste pas avec les gens parce que tu vas trouver de l'argent.
You know, that attitude of yours that has made people to know that all your reason is money that you get.
Et ne fais pas cela parce que les gens te reconnaîtront.
Because money is not the answer to your needs.
Parce que l'argent n'est pas la réponse à ta prière.
And don't bow to anybody because the person has money or asset more than you.
Et ne t'agenouille pas devant une personne parce que la personne a de l'argent.
No, I know somebody. Never bow to anybody because you feel the person has more assets or money than you.
Ne t'agenouille jamais.
Never. One will say never.
Personne parce que la personne
say never. Shout never.
Jamais.
And don't look up to anybody for the person's money.
Et ne supplie pas la personne pour avoir son argent.
You don't need anybody's money to prosper.
Et tu n'as pas besoin de l'argent de quelqu'un pour prospérer.
You just have to follow Jesus Christ.
Juste suis le Seigneur Jésus.
Jesus will use all his powers.
Et Jésus va utiliser toute sa puissance
and help you.
Pour t'aider.
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 So all that matters for you is all follow Jesus.
Et tout ce dont tu as besoin, c'est de suivre le Seigneur.
It may be that your wife is not educated. It doesn't matter. It may be that your wife is not. Some of you don't worry to marry educated wife. Don't go for education.
Ne va pas pour l'éducation.
Marry the person because the person knows Jesus.
Et marie-toi à la personne parce que la personne connaît Jésus.
And the person follows Jesus.
Et la personne suit le Seigneur Jésus.
And the way the person relates with you is the way Jesus wants the person to relate with you. Period.
Et la manière la personne est concernée avec toi, c'est de cette manière que la personne est avec Jésus.
You
Le Seigneur
marry
Jésus.
because of education, you are doomed.
Tant que tu me suis, mets ton argent à côté.
Eh? Education you want to marry. You don't marry because of education, because you are not marrying the education, you are marrying the person.
Et tu ne te maries pas à l'éducation, mais tu te maries à la personne.
Let's be proud of each other because of Jesus.
Et souffrons pour les uns et les autres à cause de Jésus.
And don't worry if you don't have education.
Et ne t'inquiète pas même si tu n'es pas éduqué.
And don't worry yourself to go for it.
Et ne te dérange pas pour aller pour cela.
Don't push yourself to go for education if you don't have it per se.
Et ne te force pas pour aller pour l'éducation.
But go for Jesus.
Mais suis plutôt le Seigneur.
Compare two characters. A character of somebody highly educated and a character of somebody who is not educated but has Jesus. Follows Jesus. Depends on Jesus. The difference will be clear.
Et si nous pouvons comparer la personne qui est tellement éduquée et la personne qui n'est pas éduquée mais qui suit le Seigneur Jésus, la différence est vraiment claire.
I see Jesus helping you. Now, I'm not saying look down on those who are educated, but education without Jesus is foolishness. Don't go away. I hope you understand. Don't do what?
Wow.
Don't let somebody go away because of what the person has not got. Don't do what? Don't let the person go away because of what the person has not got. But rather, you give to the person. Are you listening, somebody? Don't let the person go away out of your life because of what the person has not got. But rather, If you have seen that the person has not got something that you want or you think the person must have, rather you give the person all that you can't do for yourself or you've not been able to do for yourself. Jesus said everything that he can do to see you through, he's doing for you.